Change the folder icon on your MacBook. So it's very simple. There are multiple tutorials how to do it, but I will show you the easiest way. So simply right click and create your new folder and name it. So for example, folder, press enter, and now open your browser, for example, Safari, and now search for the folder and the color of the folder which you want. I'm going to type here custom Mac folder and make sure to type here the PNG so the background will be not visible. Now you have to find your perfect match. For example, here is the rainbow. So click on it and make sure there are these little squares in this area so the background will not be visible. You can move this window to the left. Now right click your folder, open get info, and now you want to grab this image to this area in left upper corner area of the folder info. So release it, this little green plus will appear and the folder was changed. So as I said, you can change here the color, but you can do it whatever you want. For example, blue folder PNG. I'm gonna grab it here and it will be changed in a seconds. Now if I close it, it will be changed in a few seconds when it's loaded. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.